Hello! With this video, I start a series of Touratech accessory installs on the BMW R1250GS. This is an easy one, engine crash bars. Here you can see all the hardware that comes in the package. We start with installing rubber rings on the two large bushings. The smaller bushing will be used on the right side of the bike, and the larger one is for the left side. Attach the bushings to the top rear mount of each crash bar with a round head bolt, a round washer for the bolt, an oval washer inside the bushing, and a lock nut. Use a 5mm hex to tighten it all up. On the bike, remove two bolts from the frame underneath the engine cylinder heads using the T50 socket. There are two bolts on each side. You need to remove the front ones. Keep the bolts, they will be reused. Position the crash bar so that all mount points line up and the bushing fits inside the opening in the frame. Screw in the original bolt back into the frame, just hand tight for now. Take the longer hex bolt from the package, a washer and a spacer. Use them to attach the lower front end of the mount point on the engine block, also hand tight only. Use the shorter hex bolt, two washers and a nut for the upper front mount. Once everything is connected, with the rubber mallet, push the bushing all the way in the frame and tighten all bolts. The torque specifications are listed in the video description. The other side is installed exactly the same, though you will notice that the geometry is slightly different. While you are watching this process, I would like to mention that I specifically chose the Touratech product for its design. Other manufacturers advertise the thickness and strength of their bars, but in reality it means that in a crash, all the forces will be transferred to the bike's frame. Here, Touratech uses large bushings to absorb impact forces, and then the bars are more likely to bend, but at the same time, the bike itself is more likely to remain intact. Here's the end result, clean looking and functional. In my future videos, I will show how to install other Touratech accessories. If you're interested, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.